Namaste everyone, my name is Ajit Gaire and this is my friend Susan Malla. We are from class 10B, reading in Panchamandev Secondary School, and we are here to demonstrate our project of JCB and how it actually works. And it is based on Pascal law, which states that a liquid contained in a closed container transmits the pressure equally in all directions. And we have some pistons attached to the JCB hand, and we are when we apply force here, the force exerts to this syringe and it pushes the JCB hand equally.
Namaste and hello everyone. I am Aditi Kimire and she is Srishti Khanal. We students of class 10B are here to present our project. This is hydraulic lift and this is hydraulic brake, which is based on Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that when a force exerted in a liquid which is enclosed in a container, liquid exerts pressure equally in all directions. And we are gonna see how it works. You can see here is a small piston and the bigger piston is not actually seen, but here is a smaller piston and it is a bigger piston. When we all know hydraulic machine is a force multiplier. When we exert a small amount of force here in the larger piston, it multiplies the force. So I'm going to exert some force in it and it is lifting object. And in this hydraulic brake, here is a smaller piston and here is a larger piston. And this is a like wheel of a vehicle, and when we exert force here, and it stops the wheel.
It is used in our vehicle to apply the brake, and when we apply a force in the small piston, then the force multiply here and
Namaste everyone, we are student of class 10B here. It's me Kirtan Kavle and my friend Sophia Amal. We are here to show you our small project hydraulic crane. Hydraulic crane is based on Pascal law, which states that whenever we apply force in a closed container containing liquid, it transfers its force in all directions in equal force. Here my friend will show you how it is used. Here we can see that my friend has used the hydraulic crane to move around things. Like we use hydraulic crane for multiple purposes. Like whenever we are building house, we use it to lift loads like rods, cements, etc. We use this to load people whenever we use it to make building. We use hydraulic crane for multiple purposes. Thank you everyone. This is a small presentation of me and my.
Namaste and hello everyone. I am Sudhir and we have made hydraulic press.
Hydraulic press is a machine in which small force is applied in a small piston is multiplied many times through a large piston.
When we apply small force on the smaller piston, more pressure is generated in the larger piston. And we can demonstrate it like this.
And the hydraulic press is used to fix mechanical parts of vehicles. Press bend metal sheets or make holes in them to pack paper, straw or cotton by compressing them. And it is based on Pascal's law.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone, today we are standing in front of you to demonstrate our hydraulic press project. I am my assistant here. demonstrator and myself for the session.
My name is Asma.
My name is Anita Shetty.
We have done this small replica of hydraulic gate.
This is based on the Pascal's law. Today we are standing here to present our project work. The name of our project work is hydraulic gate, which is
Related to Pascal law.
Pascal's law. I would like to thank all our respected leaders for giving this wonderful opportunity to us.
This project we use two pistons, one small piston and one larger piston. When we apply pressure in small piston, the pressure multiplies from larger piston and the doors get open. And when we
Pull
water again, the
it
door
will
gets
become
closed.
closed. This is also an example of our daily life example which is used in our daily life. We can also see it on using industry to making
Gates.
Hello everyone, I am Avinash Chapagai from grade 10B.
And I am Dusan Bharka from grade 10B2.
And our project, we have made a project and the name of our project is hydraulic press, which is based on Pascal law.
So we can see here how it works. I'm gonna explain about it. So here is two pistons. We use two pistons. One is small piston and another one is large piston. We can apply force from the small piston, and we have used liquid as a force multiplier. As we can see, the liquid from these small pistons goes to the large piston, and the nozzle, the lid of this piston goes down, so we can press things from here. This is a hydraulic press where we can press things using hydraulic force of liquid.
Hello, namaste. I'm Anushka Paryar and this is Sandhya.
Sandhya Puri.
And they from the school Panchamuni Dev Secondary School. We are here to present our project, which is based on the Pascal's law, which states that a liquid contained in a liquid force container is transmitted perpendicularly and equally in all directions. And in this Pascal's law related project, we have made a hydraulic crane. As you can see, this hydraulic crane is based on Pascal's law, and there are two big pistons and two small pistons, and they represent the force applied in the small piston is multiplied in the force applied in big pistons. And in this project, we are here. This is our box, or we can assume it as an object, heavy object, and this is our machine to lift loads. So when we apply force here, so first this is our yellow pistons, yellow color pistons, which
So it is move around.
yeah, it handles the direction, and it handles to lift it up and down. So you can handle the direction. So first we are